what's up, my brother? We sitting here shooting a review. I messed the whole act, bro. Let me redo that. Hey, what's up, my brother? I can't get jiggy with this shit. I can't get jiggy with this. What movie is that? Let me know down below in the comments for the one time. But this is your boy Asneakerlife back with another video, brother. I just shot. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. You ain't gonna believe it. If you've been watching me for years, you know. Some change in my brain, bro. I just shot a review of these. And you probably like, Mike, please don't tell me those are what I think they are. Yeah, man. They Crocs. I am not gonna hold you, bro. So I told y'all, I think I showed you, I don't know what vlog it was, but Crocs has been sending me stuff. Like, they low-key been giving me brand deals, all love, you know what I'm saying? I originally didn't know that Crocs were made in Boulder, Colorado. Now, I'm upset with myself because why did I not have these all those years of playing basketball? Why did I not have these? Like, these would have been goated. Super clutch. As a hooper, people probably would have roasted me, but on the court, they would have got dunked on. Let me just tell you. I would have dropped a smooth 30. Y'all think I'm playing? I ain't playing. These knees, I've been working out and getting these knees right again because I'm coming. I'm coming for all y'all. I'm about to bust Kais because we know Kais can't hoop. I'm about to go after, who else? Who else be hooping like that? Ty the Guy. I'm going after DDG. I'm a hoop Mikey Williams. Like, Mikey smoked me, bro. I don't know. I'm trying to get these knees right so I can hoop full time. But, you know, I decided to bring out the big boy real quick. But anyway, the whole reason that we got this video going is because I want to show you a new pickup. Something Lizite. Only way to like pop on YouTube and get views and be successful is to be consistent. Hope you're taking notes. Be consistent and buy shoes. I've probably spent my whole life savings this last month just on shoes. So if you could do me a favor and hit the thumbs up, it does a lot of good things for your boy. It helps the algorithm push my videos out to people so then I get the views up, because a lot of y'all keep saying in the comments, yo man, like, what happened to your views, brother? Like, how do you have 550,000 subscribers but only 20 views? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I try to figure it out myself. It's just weird. But let's do this unboxing real quick. Plus, I'll probably drop a reaction video today too, because we trying to get that Lambo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, man, shout out to y'all, bro. Y'all really been showing love. As far as the giveaway winner for the mochas, that went live on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, which you probably means you didn't even enter the giveaway, I announced the winner. And it's fire being able to give shoes and money. On Instagram, I always try to do like, when I do a post or a sponsor post, I usually post a story saying like, whoever comments the most, I'll cash app you $20 just to give back, you know what I'm saying? So if you do follow me on Instagram, make sure you turn on those notifications. I know I keep saying like follow me, but I need you to follow me. That's how I make money, bro. Duh. Hit that, turn them notifications on. So before we get into this one, these come out next month. Just needed to make sure I get my facts straight. So these come out on the 14th, which is coming up soon, bro. October kind of flew by. And huge shout out to the big homie Fine Line 1721. You gotta pay to play. These bad boys. These are the Midnight Navy Japan Jordan 1s. Retail is going to be $170. Obviously, I'm gonna have the full in-depth review, but we had to show y'all. Also, side note, a lot of my sneakers that I don't wear, and some of them are new, blah, 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 they're on mikesbodega.com. A lot of you guys keep asking me that. So if you want to buy them, that's where they're at. So love these boxes. I really love the silver box. I even saw that these are going to come in like a suitcase, I think in like Japan or something, or Europe, I don't know. And then on the paper, you actually have 2020, which a nice little hint. Oh, it's 2020 and 2001, because that was the last time these came out. My favorite things are to say, honestly, sheesh, and fire. This is it, man. I have a feeling these are going to be worth a lot of money. I hate to always have to say that, but That's how I am with sneakers kind of nowadays. Like, I like to have shoes that are expensive. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like to get them for retail and know that they cost a lot of money, but wear them. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I don't want them to be expensive for me to sell them. I want them to be expensive just to know that I'm wearing them, because it kind of feels a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? Like, people are like, oh my God, those off-whites cost $2,000. And you're like, and I got them for $170, and I'm wearing them on my feet. Yeah, you know? So, Woo-wee, sheesh. I love it. I love the smell. Shake your fast. Watch yourself. Shake your fast. Show me what you're working with. Shake your fast. Watch yourself. Stamp of approval. SMD. Yeah, bro. Honestly, there's a little stain on my shoe, but I don't care. See a little dookie stain? Look like someone wiped their booty with it. I don't even know. It don't even matter though. Sheesh. Some people be tripping. Like, you get your shoe, you're like, holy damn, there's a crease. I want to return. It's like, bro, you gonna crease them anyway, weirdo. Chill out. Yes, sir. These are fire, man. Honestly, all the Tokyos, which I'm gonna grab real quick. Let me grab. I ain't just dancing down the run though. You already know. They really. Ow. I don't know why they didn't put these in the silver box. Like, that should have been a thing. So that's a little stupid. Especially when they're rolling with that concept. But like, these are really fire. I heard of this lace brand called Rope Lace, and I tried to hit them up on Instagram, but they didn't respond to me. They just let me hanging. But they actually have like this color lacing, because I think this would be trash on these. And also, I'm not really feeling the black, but this color on these, fire. Still have yet to wear those. And then obviously, I ended up getting these for that is Kixar or Kicks and Crew, whatever, legit. So I ended up getting these two. Another super fire, underrated Jordan 1 in my opinion. So we got the Tokyo. What are these? Japan? Midnight Navy? Yeah, Japan exclusive Midnight Navy. Just confirming. All of these, in my opinion, are going to be underrated Jordan 1s in the future. Most definitely these and these. But man, super tough. Like, beautiful shoes. Yes. And I love just like these phenomenal leather on the tongue on both of these, right? And then obviously you have that 2001 to 2020. Like, damn, took that long to release these. Now it'd be even cooler if Jordan Brand decided to give out the suitcase, but that's only like exclusive to Japan, I believe. And that would just increase the value for these that much more. But this kind of gives me that like storm blue vibe, but obviously you have the cool suede and then the beautiful metallic swoosh throughout the entire sneaker, and then just premium leather. Like, I'm telling you, this destroys shattered backboard leather in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. That's just my pair. And of course, dude, the fire embroidery, like no tag, embroidered right into that leather. Stupid. So, yeah, man, you guys can let me know what you think. But obviously, I'm going to drop the review here soon. Make sure you turn on notifications so you get notified when I drop the newest video. Or you can text my number, 303-529-6327. Just text me, and I usually use my text to like let you guys know when I get a video. So just say what's up and lock me into your phone. But there you guys have it, man. This is your boy Asneakerlife. Make sure you enter the giveaway in my video, my Crocs video. Go check that out because there's a giveaway for you. Yeah. Or you can just go follow me on Instagram and comment on my picture and you might get $20 cash out to you. So that's lit. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Run it.